Losing weight without dieting might sound like a dream, but it's possible with 30 days of healthy and easy meals. No calorie counting, just nourishing your body naturally. Most diets fail because they focus on restriction, not sustainability. Once you stop, the weight returns. Instead, focus on what your body needs with a lifestyle shift, not a temporary fix. Real food fuels your body without fancy supplements or strict rules. Meals rich in fiber, lean proteins, healthy fats, and slow-digesting carbs keep you full and naturally shift your body into fat-burning mode. Imagine starting your day with avocado toast and a boiled egg. For lunch, enjoy a grilled chicken salad. Snack on Greek yogurt with berries and finish with a tofu stir-fry for dinner. Consistently giving your body what it needs leads to losing stubborn weight, better sleep, more energy, and reduced sugar cravings. Just 30 days of healthy meals can make a big difference. This journey is about mindfulness. Learn to listen to your body, differentiate between hunger and cravings, and eat with intention. Break emotional eating habits with small actions like walking or journaling.